Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can view uploaded videos in Telegram on your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure, friends, put likes under the video and write your comments. So, let's get started. Please open the Telegram app on your iPhone. After that, you will need to click on Settings on the bottom right. Next, you will need to go to Data and Storage. After that, click on the very first option. This will take you to a page like this where you will see how much space you have on your device for various media files. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this graph, you'll see that there's this list of different chat rooms. And you can see, for example, how much space is taken up by individual chats or groups in Telegram. Also, friends, you can go to Media and here you can also see all the videos that have been automatically uploaded to your Telegram. And you can, for example, delete them. So by selecting them and just hit delete. Or you can view a file like this by clicking on it. It opens up a file. And here you can also, for example, save it or open it completely or send it to some chat room if you need it. I hope this video was useful and helpful. Don't forget to put your likes and likes for sure. Bye-bye.